My dear friends, this is Moscow. Moscow is the capital and largest city of Russia. Red Square is one of the oldest and largest squares in Moscow. It is the city's most prominent landmark, with famous buildings. It has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1990. The Moscow Kremlin serves as the official residence of the Russian president and as a museum. The Kremlin overlooks the Moskva River to the south, St. Basil's Cathedral, and Red Square to the east, and Alexander Garden to the west. GUM is the main department store in many cities of the former Soviet Union, known as State Department Store. The Moscow Metro is the metro system serving the Russian capital of Moscow since 1935. The ring of Moscow metro stations that look like underground palaces. Many of them are distinguished by the grandeur of the decor, with vestibules and underground halls decorated with statues, reliefs, paintings, mosaics, stained glass, and even paintings of some of the country's leading artists whose works are presented in various museums of Russia. These paintings are from the Kievskaya metro station, opened in 1954. One of the main sites in the west of Moscow is Victory Park. It was also where Napoleon waited in vain to be handed control of the Kremlin by the Russians after capturing the city. Today, it is an important venue for Russia's Victory Day celebrations. The main monument within the park is the Victory Monument, which consists of a 141.8-meter-tall obelisk, decorated with reliefs and with the goddess Nike at the top. At the base of the obelisk is a statue of St. George slaying a dragon adorned with Nazi symbols. Just behind the complex is an eternal flame. Exhibition of Achievements of National Economy is a permanent general-purpose trade show and amusement park in Moscow, Russia. Between 1991 and 2014, it was also called the All Russia Exhibition Center. The exhibition was established February 17, 1935. The exhibition center was built in the era of Joseph Stalin. A statue of Vladimir Lenin used to stand in the front of the pavilion. There is a fountain called the Stone Flower Fountain. In 2014, the Russian space shuttle, the structural test article, which was an attraction and restaurant at Gorky Park in Moscow, was moved to this place and fixed near the Vostok rocket in front of the Cosmos Hall. The Center for Oceanography and Marine Biology Moskvarium Aquarium also placed in this area. During Soviet times, each year, this park hosted more than 300 national and international exhibitions, and many conferences, seminars, and meetings of scientists and industry professionals. The Monument to the Conquerors of Space is a giant obelisk erected in Moscow in 1964 to celebrate achievements of the Soviet people in space exploration located in the Cosmo Park.